Hey guys, what we got here, this is a Poland Pro PP5020 AV series, running a 20-inch bar, 50 cc's. Pretty basic chainsaw, nothing too crazy. Actually been pretty great for the most part. I've never really had too many problems. Definitely cuts through some pieces of wood. The only issue I've had over the last 2 years of owning it is I could never figure out why some days it would stop and start, stop and start, stop and start. If I was running at full throttle, it would go, 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 but then it was always all over the place. So I was out here and I wanted to go get some wood chops, so I figured I'd finally take her apart and have a look. Well, lo and behold, the spark plug wire here that goes to the spark plug nut, or we're gonna call this, well, it was just kind of bouncing around inside there, and I had pushed it up in there before, but again, you're using a chainsaw. I mean, this thing's vibrating all over the place. So what we're actually gonna do is just solder this guy together. That way we no longer have to be concerned about it. At least that's the general consensus and hope. But I wanted to throw this up on YouTube just because this isn't one of your normal issues that you run into with the chainsaw. This is kind of random, kind of weird, and so I'm hoping that just anybody else that might be kind of having to deal with something like this will give you an idea of what else to look at and go in and get her done. There we go. Just got her in there nice and tight. So we're just going to slowly work this guy back in there. There we go. Good as new. Now hopefully we won't have that problem anymore. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Anybody have any questions about anything? Don't be shy. Talk to you later.